Hey girls with curly hair, it's time to appreciate your little curls. The power of curly hair is unbelievable. Even very short bob hairstyles look good on curly heads. Look at this bob cut for black females. She look both natural and sexy. Have you ever seen a woman that can attract people just being natural? No, you have. So my dear friends, if you are looking for something new about hair cutting ideas, then this is the place for you. So my dear friends, first of all, I would like to introduce you about my channel. In my YouTube channel, you will see latest and trendy short haircuts, long haircuts, medium haircuts, and hairstyling ideas, and also hair cutting ideas for girls and women both. So please my dear friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will see all the notification of my latest videos. So friends, today I am showing you very stylish and attractive curly bob hairstyle. So friends, curly girls can spend hours straightening their hair. Do you know why we always want to change something? Because changes inspire us. Hey girls with curly hair, it's time to appreciate your little curls. The power of curly hair is unbelievable. Even very short bob hairstyles look good on curly heads. Look at this bob cut for black females. She looks both naturally and sexy. Have you ever seen a woman that can attract people just being natural? No, you have. And you can do the same. Forget about your hair iron and let your imagination run wild. Opt for any pixie length, and that's all you need to decide. Your lovely curls will do the talking. Oh, we nearly forgot the thing you will love about the curly bob with your hair type. Any pixie you choose is totally easy to maintain. Remember, short hairstyles for nick wavy hair are the decision that can save your time. So friends, pixie bob haircut is the ultimate destination for hairstyle inspiration, empowering women one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you are looking for the latest hairstyle trends, then this is the place for you. From short hairstyle to messy buns and everything in between, we have got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect do for your next big events. Like and share our video. If you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thank you for watching our videos, for subscribing, and for your comments.